What's going on today? Sun is shining. What is up? Sun is shining and things are looking good. I'll show you what we got here. We got a little culvert through a creek. We're gonna fix, hopefully fix. I worked on it a few years ago. Actually, it was about 2010. I was up here and I reset these pipes, but preventative maintenance did not happen, and I'll show you what we got going on. Okay, so what we got here is we've got a creek. The creek comes down through here, and then there's two 24-inch pipes that go through, and then it goes down, and there is a big ravine down below. Now, when I first came in here to do this job, we were going to put a big piece of pipe in here, but we just said, well, we'll do some maintenance. My dad actually laid up the rock here on this side here, but as you can see, this is washed out right here. Washed out, but the problem is water is actually washing this out. It's coming down the road. It's coming down the road here, and it's got nowhere to go, so it's going right out and it's washing this out. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to try to reshape this road, try to get the water to go out up there, which at one time this was going out up there, but obviously the things settled. I'm going to cut some logs. I'm going to put some logs in here, and I'm going to key them into the bank, lay them up, and then we're going to backfill this. We're going to backfill it with the gravel from this side of the creek, because we'll clean this out right here. There's my pipes right there. One's plugged up right now. Dominic will get in there and unplug it, but we'll go ahead and get those unplugged. I'm sitting on a bed of gravel right here, and we'll clean this creek out going up through, and we'll use this gravel here to fill the road in. Not anticipating any problems here. Obviously right behind me here, that gentleman back there, he's gonna probably give me some problems, but I gotta clean this ditch out and try to get down in here. And the turf tires do not like the mud, so we'll see how that goes. I may end up getting hung up, but I got the big Dodge up there. If we need to pull it out, we'll pull it out with that. But like I said, same thing. We're going to be using the old 4300. I'm going to put some trees on the ground here, and then I'll set you guys up, and we'll dig that keyway out first so we can get them logs set in there, and then we'll go ahead and clean the creek out. Okay, it's hard to see on the camera, but what we got is we got the same elevation as where these pipes are going back into the bank. So in theory, the bank back there should hold the wood for the logs that I put in here. Now I know some people will think, well, the logs are going to rot out, especially when you see what I'm going to put in there, but this thing has lasted a long time, and we could probably put a concrete head wall in here or something to make it really nice, but they just don't want to put the money in it, so this will last another 10 years probably. What I did last time lasted about 10 years, so I'm going to lay the log in there, I'm going to put some fabric in there, lay it up over, and then fold it up, and that should protect it as it rots away. That didn't go as planned, so plan B, I didn't realize I wasn't against the bank on the other side. It was a little too tight, so we're gonna have Junior run the back, or we'll set it in with a chain. Boom up and hold the load. Oh, you gotta suck it in. Up. In. No, in. Hey, you gotta boom up and crowd in at the same time. There you go. Keep going. Whoa. Swing it that way. Whoa. Down. Perfect. Amazing. You got her set that time. Okay, we'll make a burrito now. Burrito sandwich. You want to make a burrito sandwich. Yeah, a nice curve to it. Well, the wind blew over my mount, broke that thing. So I'm gonna just try to set you up here and set up on a time lapse. I can't do much more fancy stuff today, but I'll get a view at the end here. Well, A little bit muddy, but it's done. I'll show you what we got here. All right, so creek on this side is all cleaned out now. See, I got 2 pipes cleaned out. Got this basin. Usually I drive the loader right down in here, but there's so much gravel in here. I'm gonna have to let it build up again and then clean it out again from the side like I did this time. The ditch kind of roughed in up through there. I know it don't look good, but that's all I can do right now with this backhoe. I put all this stuff up on the road here, laid it down, it'll dry out. It's all gravel. And then over here you see the new retaining walls in there, and everything's down in. So hopefully, like I said, this is what it looks like from this end, and that whole side right there was all gone. So we got plenty of creek now. So